What's going on, everybody? We're back down at Rockbridge, Missouri. Gonna hit the stream here and do some fishing. Yesterday got a little messed up with filming just because we got down here. The whole drive down was beautiful, 70 degrees. As soon as we got here and checked in, went to unload everything, it must have been about 95 degrees. It was cooking.
Now, what's the weather like out there? It's hot, damn hot, real hot.
And then about 15 minutes after that, that's when the storms moved in. So we just kind of chilled at the rooms, had some snacks, sat around and talked, let the rain kind of die down. We did make it out, do a little bit of fishing yesterday. I am up 2 so far. Total weight on those was a little over 5 pounds. So that's pretty good for 2 fish. But yeah, out here first thing in the morning. It's a little after 6 a.m. and let's see what we can pull out of here. So I've said it a million times, I am no professional fisherman, but this is what I use. As you can see, swim trunks and Crocs. I am not the catalog of field and stream out here, but it gets the job done and I have a good time doing it. There we go. There we go. Nice one of the morning. And for everybody saying, oh, you shouldn't put your fingers down their gills and all that stuff, these fish are gonna die. When I catch them, we turn them in. They do have to cross the scale here. That's how they work. You catch them, they bring them up, scale them, they gut them, fillet them, freeze them. So trust me, I know how to hold a fish, but all these fish that I catch are going to die. So sticking my finger in their gill, whether they're dead now or they're dead 5 minutes later when I take them to the clubhouse, it is what it is. This will make number 2. I couldn't get it all on film because, you know, GoPro battery issues here. How do 4 batteries, all charged overnight, go dead within freaking 10 minutes? But I got 10% battery. We're gonna land this guy and get him on the stringer. It's a pretty nice one right there. Pretty nice. Good color. Well, that makes 3 so far. 5 for the total for the trip. So we're doing pretty good. Battery on this thing's about to die. So probably take these back to the clubhouse and see what everybody else is doing. Oh. Hey, you got some weight to it. Huh? That'd be cool. Hang on, Ryan. He's right over by you. It's got, dude, look at it.
It's got 5 pounds.
Oh, yeah. Let him wear down a little bit more. Here. Good. All right, everybody, I know there wasn't really a whole lot to this video. We got down here super hot. 10 minutes later, we had a nice round of thunderstorms move in. So did a little fishing the first day, made up for it the second day, pulled out some good fish. I've said it before in my last video, if you haven't been down here, you definitely got to check it out. If you've never fished before in your life, or you're an experienced fisherman, this is definitely a place to check out. Rockbridge, Missouri. Thanks again for a wonderful time. We come here every year. This is absolutely gorgeous. You can't beat it. What a great way to spend a weekend, a week, however long you come down. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'm gonna sit back for a little bit and enjoy this because we're heading out of here. Yeah. We'll see you in the next video.